So why do a lot of investors consider ESG or sustainable investing full information investing, right? Why do they call it that? Well, if you think about the way that most investors actually put their money to work, they do so in index investments, right? These investments that track the market. But if you look at how those are created, they're very often simply the largest companies in a given economy, right? Based on their market capitalization, the size of the company, they're actually creating these investment products kind of indiscriminately based upon purely that size. Now, if you look at ESG or sustainable investing, you're taking much more information or data into consideration in the investment process, while still seeking to get that same market exposure, that same index exposure. So you look at things like ESG, environmental, social, and governance criteria. You look at the environmental side, right? What companies are utilizing the most carbon? What companies are contributing to climate change? Which companies are using the most water? Which companies are actually contributing to deforestation? You look at the social side. What is the data around diversity and inclusion? Which companies are actually discriminating in their hiring and firing practices? And then finally, you look at governance, right? Governance is actually the quality of leadership or the strength of leadership of these companies, and something that a lot of investors actually do want to take into consideration. So if you look at governance, you look at strength of leadership, you're actually mitigating some of those risks, like product service and safety, like having companies that may have products go faulty, or have plane crashes, or have medicines that are carcinogenic, for example. So let us know if this is helpful and why full information investing is actually another name for sustainable investing.